If you can already play a basic rock beat, these 5 beginner grooves are gonna make you sound way more like a real rock drummer. They all come from real songs, but the cool thing is that these are the kind of grooves you hear all over rock music. So once you learn them, you are not just learning 5 rock beats, you are learning groove ideas that show up again and again in real songs. Let's start with the first one, Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. This one is great for beginners because the song is a mid-tempo, heavy power ballad, so the drums need to feel steady and controlled, not busy. The big takeaway on this one is this. Yes, you guessed, do not rush it. It's not a hard groove, but if you can hold it steady, you instantly sound more like a real drummer. It is powerful because it's simple and controlled. Now groove number 2, Cochise by Audioslave. This groove is all about aggression and commitment, and if any of you saw me playing live gigs around UK and South America, you know that I just love to play songs like that. This song has that fearless, in-your-face energy, so the beat needs to sound strong and confident. So the lesson here is power with control. A lot of beginners hit hard, but the groove still does not sound strong because the notes are not consistent. This groove teaches you to commit. Strong pulse, strong backbeat, no hesitation. Alright, groove number 3, Even Flow by Pearl Jam. This one is great because it has more groove in it than a straight basic rock beat. The riff has that funk feel, so the drums have to keep driving without sounding stiff. The lesson here is to play it steady, but make it move. Nice one. Now, here's the important part with this one. You can play all the right notes and still kill the groove if the hi-hat gets stiff, okay? Or the kick notes are off. So don't just think about the pattern. Think about keeping it even, especially the kick notes. Relax and moving forward. Cool. Groove number 4, Man in the Box by Alice in Chains. This one is amazing for beginners, not because Alice in Chains is one of my top 10 bands, but because it teaches you how to make a slower, heavy groove feel big, and that's really hard. The hi-hat and snare are simple, but that's exactly the point. You are not filling every gap. You are letting the space do part of the work. So what makes this groove work? Well, there's a lot of space in this beat, and that space is what makes it feel big. So try not to rush into the empty spaces. Just sit in the groove and make every note count. And by the way, if you are a beginner or a stuck intermediate rock drummer and you want a clear practice system, check out my free 5-day mini course, the Backbeat Code. I'm gonna help you with timing, consistency, and the foundations that make your playing feel solid. Link is below. All right, the last one is Sweet Child O' Mine by Guns N' Roses. This is a great beginner groove because it teaches you one of the most important jobs in rock drumming. Support the song. Yeah, it's not about doing loads, it's about keeping the groove steady, relaxed, with all the syncopation accents in place and strong enough to carry the band. Nice one. Now here's what this groove is really teaching you. This groove goes on for a while, and that is where a lot of beginners fall apart. It's not hard because of the pattern, but it's hard because you have to keep it steady for longer than you think. So do not just practice, 2 bars and move on. Try to hold it for at least a minute, stay relaxed, and make every bar feel the same. That's what makes it sound like real rock drumming. And before we finish, let me give you a super simple plan. Do not try to master all 5 grooves in one sitting. Instead, do this. Day 1 and 2, groove 1. Day 3 and 4, groove 2. Day 5 and 6, groove number 3. Then next week, groove 4 and groove 5. Just 10-15 minutes a day. Slow and focused. Because what you are really building here is not just grooves. You are building your identity as a drummer who shows up, repeats the basics, and gets better over time. Practice, patience, and perseverance. That's the DrumBetter way. All right, my friend, pick one of these grooves, slow it down, and go make some noise. And if you want to keep learning, watch this lesson right here. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.